Energetics PVT 30. Training equipment. After McDonald's, we would like to start a healthy life.
Style.
Yeah.
It will be good for us. We bought this equipment from internet. It's second-hand equipment for 60 euro
Yeah.
around.
I think it's cheap for this
It's
equipment.
not very expensive. I think it will be good for us. We unscrew it for parts and now we will screw it back and we will try to do some exercises. Look.
Oh my god, how much?
You can do this.
No, I can't.
We will try.
Please
But
don't.
We will start today. Okay, let's screw it.
Get ready for laughing.
Be careful, we need to put this part here, because from here we will do our exercises. We need a flat head.
Oh.
To push it back, we need to take this part. To do pull-ups, we need to put it here. Then fix it with this device. Yeah. And we can do pull-ups here.
Pull up, pull up, pull. Hey yo.
And so on.
You do like.
Yeah. Or that way. Yeah?
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
To do push-ups, we need put it here.
Or push-ups.
Yeah. Push-ups.
Wait, push-ups is here.
Okay.
Yo.
Show us how we can do push-ups. 1, 2, 30 times.
Hey yo, that's too lot.
Okay. 3 times. Okay. And so we can do some stomach here.
I tried, it's very hard. How are you doing it? Huh?
And so on.
You're strong.
And here we can do push-ups. Okay, I don't know how it will be on.
It's for biceps, yeah?
And so on. Yeah, it's good. It will be for you. You, it will be okay.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
I'm too young. I am on
But after
VC.
several months, it will be for you.
Okay.
Start your training. One, two, three, start.
I started. And I finished.
Okay. It's good.
Good. Good.